Chiropractic and Wellness, with a patient of mine, Tracy. Tracy is a fairly avid runner, and she's been complaining of pain in her right SI joint, and it has been inhibiting her training. So today we're going to do an evaluation and treatment on her right SI. So Tracy, let's have you lie face down for me. First thing we're going to do is a quick check of her leg length. So slide down towards me just a little bit. There you go. So we're just looking for a discrepancy in her leg length. And there's a little one right there. Okay, so now we're going to palpate her right SI joint. Is that tender now?
Yes.
All right. So that's right where she's complaining of pain, which is over her SI joint. So we're going to do some range of motion. I'm just going to kind of evaluate how well or not well this joint is internally and externally rotating. Was there any pain with either of those movements?
Just a little bit.
Okay. All right, so turn it over for me. All right, so we're going to do Patrick's test on her right side. So I'm going to stabilize here, and I push down. Is that causing any pain in your SI joint? Is that reproducing the pain you feel?
Definitely.
Okay. So now we're going to do one more test. We're going to do a distraction test. I just push some downward pressure on the pelvis. Does that cause pain on the right side?
On the right side, yeah.
All right. So now we're going to adjust her right SI. So Tracy, you're going to face me over here and lie on your side. Let me raise it. There we go. So this leg is straight. This knee comes up. Hips come over. All right. Just relax. There it goes. Perfect. You all right? Feel that?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's have you sit up. All right. So that was an evaluation and adjustment of the right SI joint, and hopefully that'll help Tracy be able to run pain-free.